And today my niece is going to be doing my makeup. I did a video like this with her brothers. Are you picking your nose?
No.
Don't pick your nose. I did a video like this with her brothers a couple of years ago, and now it's Alia's turn. How old are you? You're not 5. How old are you? Tell me.
3.
You're 3. Alright, so before we get started, I'm going to take off my makeup, and then Miss Alia is going to work her magic on my face. Are you ready? Are you excited? You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I wipe your nose before we get started? You're a little crusty. And how about you have a look at all of the stuff that we have here. Usually I start with this and this. I hope you're good with concealer because I have a big zit on my chin.
What?
I have a zit right there.
Why?
I don't know.
They eat all the avocado, make all of my soup.
What about avocados? And now we have a clean slate to start with the new stuff. Is it too hard?
Yeah.
I can do it. Did we wash your hands? How about we wipe your hands off with this?
Why?
Well, because if you're going to be touching someone's face, your hands should probably be clean. And you've been touching your butt.
What? I wasn't.
You weren't? You sure?
No.
You sure?
No.
You sure?
No.
You seem like a butt toucher.
No. Where did it go?
You put it on your hand, and then you put it on the face. Oh, we're putting it on my hand. This might work in my favor.
Now this?
I mean, you can do that. That's for eyebrows. You want to do my eyebrows next?
Yeah. I want to do all of them.
Okay.
I want to do 2.
2? Do you know where the eyebrow is?
Yeah.
It's the hair above your eyes. This is an eyebrow. This is an eyebrow. Perfect.
Right here?
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
That works.
Where? Right here?
These are eyelids.
Right here?
Mm-hmm.
I do pink, 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 purple.
Perfect. There you go. A little bit of blush. Very good. Back to eyeshadow. What colors are we doing, Alia?
Pink.
Pink. I usually use pink anyway. This works. All right.
What is this for?
That goes along my eyelashes.
Right here?
Mm-hmm. Pretty good. That looks exactly like my first attempt. I like it. Alright, so we've got some mascara.
Right here?
That goes on the eyelashes. Perfect.
Gotta get some more?
They're kind of stuck together. Oh, that's good. Did you get all of them?
Yeah.
So it's for brows.
Right here?
You know where eyebrows are? They're up here. Neither of us has them. They're stealth brows. We're pretty good at this.
There.
There.
Right here?
Wherever. It just goes on the skin. You can cover up that zit on my chin if you feel like it. Mm-hmm.
Now?
Oh my, what's next?
Ah! This is the little mirror.
Oh, it is a little mirror. Look how pretty we are, Alia.
What's this?
Those are tweezers. Those should not come into play.
No.
No.
Cause no. Yeah. I'm gonna do a little one.
My eyebrows need some more blush.
I need some more of this. Bronzer.
Bronzer.
I'll do it. And then this way.
Pretty good.
Now, this.
You want to show the camera what that is?
Yeah.
It's highlighter. And it's dripping on things. Alright, just put a little bit.
Right here.
Okay. That brow highlight. Yes. Okay.
Where does this go?
That goes on lips.
Oh, yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
And on to the liquid lipstick.
Why?
Because that's what you have.
Right here.
Mm-hmm. I think that's good. Is that good? Am I pretty? Get a nice bronzed glow.
Open the eye. Open the eye. Let me see the eyelash.
Yeah, is it good? Is it pretty?
Yeah. Right here?
Sure. Those brows are getting a lot of action. There we go.
Open the eye.
Are we done?
Not yet.
Not yet. What else?
We just need some more makeup.
You can. Let me get your nose. You're snotty again.
What is it for?
It just smells good. Got it?
Right here.
Right in my eye. Whew.
Open the eye.
I'm trying. Are we done?
Not yet. This and this and this.
Okay.
Where'd it go?
I mean, it can go on my cheek. That's fine. Cool. Are we done?
Not yet.
That's more than enough. All right. We've
Wait
got our
for it.
sunscreen.
What the word for?
It's for keeping the sun off of the skin.
I'm gonna tell you. I'm putting on the skin. So
Okay.
that the sun cannot get on the skin.
Good. You can do the other side? Yes. Yes,
Yeah.
queen. Yeah? Alright, you can wipe that off with this. Alright, more lipstick. Yes.
There.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good. Are we
I
done?
got it on me.
How about I just close this up for you? Am I done? Alright.
I need some
Well, let's sit back and say goodbye to our viewers.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching. Good job.
No.